Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you set up a stop loss on the Robinhood app. First, open your Robinhood app and navigate to the specific stock you want to protect. Once you are on the stock's detail page, simply tap the Trade button. From there, you will select Sell to initiate the selling process. This initial step is crucial for securing your investments against significant drops. Now, on the order entry screen, tap on the order type drop-down, which usually defaults to market order. Select Stop Loss Order from the options presented. Next, you will input your specific stop price. This is the price point at which your order will activate, helping to limit potential losses on your investment. Ensure this price is carefully considered. For even greater control, you might choose a stop limit order. This option allows you to set both a stop price, which triggers the order, and a limit price, which is the minimum price your stock will sell for. If you select this, input both values. Always take a moment to thoroughly review all the order details, including the quantity of shares and the prices, to ensure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied with all the settings, simply swipe up to submit your stop loss order. Robinhood will then present a confirmation screen with all the details. Double-check everything one last time before finalizing. Using a stop loss is a smart strategy to manage risk, helping to safeguard your investment capital from unexpected market volatility and potentially significant losses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.